Hello, everybody. My name is Axel Rodriguez. I'm the Global Lead for Cybersecurity Partnerships at Rockwell Automation. I'm here today with Bill from Claroty. Bill, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So tell me a little bit about Claroty.
We're an OT cybersecurity company. We do three main things. We offer deep asset visibility, continuous threat detection around those assets in the customer's environments, and we also offer secure remote access. And what Rockwell does is they take our platform and you put a services wrapper, an end-to-end services wrapper around our platform, and you take it back to your customers and you drive networking and cybersecurity solutions. Well, first of all, Rockwell you have deep partnerships, right, with the industrial world. We're an OT platform, so we wanted to partner with you, right, because of that. And we knew you had a cyber services business. We knew you could use our platform along with your services and take those to your customers to really help build that resiliency and reduce risk in your customers' environments, right? In the OT world, somewhat different than the IT world, if something goes wrong, safety is really big, right? Somebody get injured, even loss of life or what have you. And so it's really important to make sure that you protect, where your assets are, and you're protecting your assets at all times from bad actors. We have CTD, which is an on-prem solution. We've moved and added Xdome, which is a cloud-based threat detection solution. So what we want to do is expand and take that cloud solution to our customers as well, and show our customers that they have an option, either on-prem or cloud, when it comes to the continuous threat detection.
So how do you see the partnership to continue to evolve in the next several years?
With our continuous threat detection solution, we have both on-prem and cloud, right? And we now want to take the cloud solution to the marketplace with Rockwell and give our joint customers an option, right? On-prem or cloud, depends on what they're interested in. In addition to that, we've only touched a few, right, industrial customers together. We want to take this solution globally and help drive that resiliency and lower that risk for our mutual customers. As I talked about earlier, there's a huge opportunity to scale together, right, and go and protect that OT environment.
That's great. Well, I appreciate you help being here with us today. If you want to know more about the Rockwell Automation cybersecurity solutions and the combined solution with Claroty technology, please go to rockwellautomation.com.